Once construction is complete, we recommend that you flush your house. Flushing removes particles or material buildup that may have been dislodged during construction. Flushing involves more than toilets. This animation will walk you through the steps needed to flush your home. First, identify all the sinks and tub faucets that can be flowed without flooding for 30 minutes. Remove the aerators from all the fixtures that will be used during flushing. Remove any filters from the faucet if present. Using cold water only, turn on all the sink and tub faucets on the first floor of your home. Next, if your home has a second floor, turn on all the sink and tub faucets on the second floor. Repeat this process if you have any additional floors. Run all the faucets at full force for 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes has passed, shut off all the faucets starting with the first floor. If you have a refrigerator with a water dispenser, flush the lines for 5 minutes. Reinstall all the aerators in your home. If you use water filters, replace the water filters at this time. Flushing the water heater is also a good step after a whole house flushing.